Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix when you are not being able to see a Create a Room option on Facebook Messenger. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Go to Facebook Messenger and tap it open. After you sign into your account, go to the pencil icon in the upper right corner, and if you're not being able to see Create a Room option in this page, then there are some things you can try out. First thing to do is go tap open your Play Store or your App Store and search for Facebook Messenger in the search box, and make sure to update your Facebook Messenger application to its latest version. In my case, I already have updated my application, so the update button is not being able to see on the screen, but in your phone, if you've not yet updated your application, then you'll be able to see the update button as well. Simply tap on update and update to the latest version of Facebook Messenger, and now go back to Facebook Messenger and see if that works. If it still does not fix the issue, then the next thing you can do is go to settings on your phone and tap it on. Now, from the settings menu, tap on apps. These are all the list of the applications that you have installed on your Android device. Now go and tap on Messenger. Once you do that, you'll end up in the app information page. From this page, tap on storage, and now try clearing your cache and your data from this page. Tap on clear cache at the bottom right in order to delete the cache files. If you want to delete your data entirely, then tap on clear data, and from the pop-up select OK. It says that after this action, all of the application's data will be deleted permanently. This will include all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. Now, once you do that, go to Facebook Messenger application and try logging into your account one more time, and you'll be able to see the Create a Room option just like that. Those were some of the fixes you can try out whenever you're having trouble in creating a room on Facebook Messenger, since the option is not available on your smartphone. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.